Hi there, welcome back to 110 RC Scale Tales. I'm back in the garage, another video. It's another diecast video, and it's this. It's another mystery box from Oxford Diecast, or as they advertise it, a lucky box. It's a selection of models for the collector or for the beginner, somebody who's just getting into the hobby. I don't know what's in the box. It's going to be a total surprise to me what's in here. They reckon the value is about £100. I paid £35, so I'm really excited to see what's inside the box. Before we do that, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help the channel. If you haven't done so already, please like the video. Please comment, good or bad, let me know what you think about the video, Oxford Diecast, the channel. Anyway, let's waste no more time. Let's open up the box and see what we've got inside. Enjoy! So my first Oxford Diecast box opening was a couple of months back when I bought the mystery box, and it was themed to heavy haulage trucks, 1/76 scale. There was 10 trucks, all part of the Eddie Stobbart fleet. This one's called the Lucky Box, and inside there's a whole range of vehicles hand-picked from across the range, from across the scales, and it's advertised as suitable for the beginner, the novice collector, and also for the experienced long-term collector. So I'm really excited to see what's inside the box, see what models we've got and what ranges they're from and what scales they are. So let's waste no more time, let's have a look inside and see what's first. So first up is nice purple and gold and white box, and inside is a commemorative model celebrating 20 years of Model Collector magazine, very popular model magazine here in the UK, and it's on a Ford van. Now it's either the Ford Anglia or Ford Thames, I'm not sure, we'll have a look at that later. I love the advertising board on the roof, lots of detail on the vehicle, very nice model, I do like that. So that is a nice little van celebrating Model Collector, 20 years of Model Collector, so do like that, so I'll put that over there. Next up, let's have a look. What's going upside down? It's a little white Ford Transit van in a non-marked box. Looks like it's 1/64 scale. Not so much detail on it, looks pretty toy grade, to be perfectly honest. It's more toy than a model, and it's part of the, let's have a look upside down, and if I can just read that, it says the golden wheel diecast, which I've never heard of, so I'm guessing Oxford make these for golden wheel diecast. So it's a Ford Transit, sort of late 80s, early 90s Ford Transit van. Not a bad wee model. Not bad at all. There we go. Let's see what else we got. Oh, it's a car. It's 1/76 scale and it's a Volvo Amazon. Now I think it's actually dark blue. Let's check on the bottom. Dark blue, yeah, it's almost black. Very nice car. Very desirable classic car these days. Liking the dark red interior. Scale number plates. Very cool. So this is 1/76 scale. So this is good if you have a railway layout, which is 00 scale, 00 gauge. This is perfect for that. There you go. So that's the Volvo Amazon. And yeah, nicely timed to come out of the box. We have a British Rail. Bedford TK crew bus, almost RAF blue with the silver roof, and this is British Rail Scottish region. So these would have been seen alongside the railway if they were repairing parts of the railway or stations, and this is where the staff would congregate for meetings, breaks, equipment, etc. I do like that a lot. Nice model. So that's 1/76 scale. Very, very cool. Oh, so I've got another car. What we've got here, it's a Nissan Qashqai. Silver. With a sort of a dark grey interior. Lots of detail, again, on the model. So a mid-size SUV here in the UK. Very popular. This in Qashqai. It's metallic faded denim, it's called. That's the colour. I think this is the one that was affectionately called the Nissan Quiche by James May, etc. on Top Gear. That's the Nissan Qashqai. Bigger model this time. This one's 1/43rd scale. Very nice car for the 1960s. It's a MG ZB Veritone. So it's two-tone, birch grey and twilight grey. With a light brown interior. Lovely, lovely model. I do like that a lot. Very nice car. Now, the MG Magnet version was a very popular car used by the police forces throughout the UK in the 1960s. Desirable car in its day, and I would say quite desirable now as a classic car. I do like that one. Nice car. Love the two-tone. Another 1/76 scale car, and of course it's the Austin Mini. Tartan red with the Union flag on the roof. Very nice model of the little Mini. Now, my great uncle had a red Mini just like this, except the roof of his one was black. I do like that, it's nice. Oh, another small box. Now this one is N-Gauge. And this is a vehicle from the 1940s, World War II. This is a Commer command vehicle in Royal Air Force livery, sort of the Royal Air Force blue with the roundel on the side. This would have been seen alongside a runway as a makeshift control tower, a command vehicle. This is N-Gauge, so this is for your smaller, this is ideal for the smaller of the train layouts that you can build and collect. Nice model, nonetheless. Now this one is very nice. It's a Scania articulated lorry. And this is celebrating Great British Racing. There's the rider on the side and horse. And Andrea Adzini, forgive my pronunciation. Very nice model indeed. And this one is from the Oxford collection, not the Atlas collection that was popular a few years back. This is actually one that was actually made for Oxford. So a very, very nice model, lots of detail. And on the back, got all the jockeys. So there was one, so it would appear there was a lorry made for each of the jockeys. And we have been given this one. So I do like that. Very nice model of an Eddie Stobart lorry. We're getting to the end of this. Oh, another 143rd Aston Martin DB9 in the best colour, silver with the red leather interior. Very nice sports car, like the twin exhaust in the back there. The best colour silver, so it's very James Bond-esque. Aston Martin DB9. And the last one, I think, the biggest of them all. The first on the channel is a plane. It's a World War I de Havilland DH4 from number 5 Squadron of the RNAS 1918. I'll look around the box there. I do like that. Very nice. Looks like it comes with a stand so you can see it in flight. Very nice. So it's part of the Frontline Fighter collection. Some of the greatest fighter aircraft ever that went to battle, crisscrossing flak-filled skies in World War I. So that's the de Havilland DH4. So there we go. I think that's 10 models. Yep. So we have the de Havilland airplane, the Scania articulated lorry, the tartan red 1/76 scale Mini, the N-Gauge Commer command vehicle, 1/43rd MGZB, 1/43rd scale Aston Martin DB9, 1/76 scale Nissan Qashqai, 1/76 scale Volvo Amazon, Ford Transit 1/64th scale from Golden Wheel Diecast, the 1/43rd scale Ford Anglia 4 Thames van celebrating model collector magazine, and the Bedford TK crew bus, British Rail from the Scottish region. So there we go, we've got 10 fantastic models in the Lucky Box. I think my favourite is the plane and the Scania articulated lorry and the MGB. In fact, most of them. I think the worst one was this wee guy here, the little Transit. So that'll maybe end up with one of my nephews to play with. Pretty cool nonetheless. So there you go, that's the Lucky Box from Oxford Diecast. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help the channel. Please let me know what you think about the models that are in the collection, good or bad. Let me know what you think of the channel. I will reply. And it leaves me to say, keep on collecting, and we'll see you on the next 110 RC Scale Tales video. All the best now, bye bye.